Welcome to our channel. Logging into your Ally Auto Finance account allows you to manage your auto loan, make payments, and view your loan details conveniently online. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the Ally Auto Finance website at ally.com or allyauto.com. Step 2. Click on the Login button typically located in the upper right corner of the homepage. Step 3. If this is your first time logging in, you'll need to register by clicking Register and providing your loan information including your account number. Step 4. Enter your username and password in the designated fields on the login page. Step 5. Complete any security verification steps such as a CAPTCHA or multi-factor authentication code sent to your phone or email. Step 6. Click the Login button to access your Ally Auto Finance account dashboard. Step 7. Once logged in, you can view your current loan balance, payment due date, payment history, and account details. Step 8. Set up automatic payments. Make one-time payments or schedule future payments through your account. Step 9. Download the Ally Auto mobile app from your app store for convenient access to your account on the go. Step 10. If you forget your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it through email verification. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.